Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Student Assignment Management System. Nowadays in the colleges and schools, assignments are assigned in online. So here in this project, the work assigned by the professor can be done online. We created a website to manage student assignments. So in this website, we have major modules called admin, professor and student. Let's see the flow of this website. This is the flow diagram of the website. Here, the professor will get registered into the website with the professor name, qualification, phone number, email address. By entering the professor details, the professor will get registered into the website. After registration, the admin will log in into the website with the predefined login credentials like email address and password or username or password. So after login, the admins can view the professors which are done with the registration. So those professors can be visible in the view professors page of admin. So by clicking the approve button, the professor can approve those admin can approve those professors which are in the view professors page. So after approving the admin, the professors will log in into the website. Without approval, the professors, they cannot log in into the website. So after approving the login, the professors will log in into the website and add the subjects to this particular website. So after add the subjects with the subject name and code. By entering the name and code of the subject, the professor will add the subjects to website and view the subjects in view subjects page. So after adding the subjects, the professor will also add the sections for that particular subjects. So the professors can separate the sections and add the test and view the test for that particular sections. So after adding the test, the students will register in the website with the registration details like name, email address, phone number, and course. So by entering the student details, the students will get registered. After registrations, the admin can view the students and also approve them by clicking the approval button. After sending the approval, the students will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the students can view the sections which are added by professor and enroll those sections by clicking the enroll button. After enrollments, they can view the enrollments in view enrollments page. In that, they can view the timings of the test and write the test by clicking the write button, write the test and view the test after completion of the test. So they can view the test also. And after this, they can submit the assignment by clicking the view assignments. They can write the they can write the test and assignments and submit those assignments by clicking the submit button. So after this, after sending the assignments, the professor can view the questions and exam results which are done by the students. They can view the questions and exam results of the students in the view questions and exam results page. Add the assignments for that particular student and view the submissions which are done by the students. So after viewing the submissions, they can assign the marks. Professors can assign the marks to the particular students and discussions will be happen in the discussion stage. So by clicking the discussion button, the professor will discuss with the students and students can communicate with the professors in that discussion page. So that after assigning the marks, the students can view the discussions in the discussion page and check their results in the results page. So like this student assignment website will work. So we'll see the output now. So this is the home page for student assignment management system. Here, first we'll register like a professor name, email address, phone number, password, qualification, address, register. After registration, student register. We'll do both here. Student name, email address, phone number, password, gender, register. Student registration also successful. After registering the both student and professor, the admin will log in into the website and view the professors. So by clicking the pending approvals, the professor's display information will be displayed like this. So after checking, the status will be unauthorized. After approving, the status will be changed as authorized. So here the status. So we are approved the professor and we can also approve the students here. And approved students will be displayed on the approved page. So I'm log out from the website and log in into the professor page. So with the registered email address and password. This is the home page for student professor. Here the professor can add the subjects by entering the subject code. Subject name, added subject and sections. Section number, choose course and choose day, start time, end time. Add section. Sections will be displayed here. After adding the section, add test. By clicking the add test, test will be added by professor. So the program of added test, test name. I'm adding the question here, option 1. Compiler language. Interpreted language. Object-based language. Scripting language. Choose option. Right answer will choose here. Exam added. Like this, the exams will be, questions will be added by the professor. So after adding the questions, they can view the tests which are added by them and view the questions here like this and view the exam results. Students not attended the exam. So assignments. In assignments, the professor will add the assignments to the students. PDF. Uploading the PDF of the assignment. So they can add the assignment. Description, complete that. So added assignment. So PDF will be displayed here like this. After displaying the PDF, view submissions, discussions. Then the programs answer. So like this, the discussions will be going on here. So log out from the professor website and log in into the student. So with the student registered email address and password. Sorry, we'll check the student first. So view the students here. So we'll copy the email address. Paste password, and this is the homepage for students, and here the students can view the sections and enroll those sections. After enrollment, they can view the enrollments in view enrolled page. They can view the timings of the class and which are added by professor, and view the exams, write the test. So by selecting the answer, they can finish the exam, finish exam. So after completion of the exams, they can view the assignments which are sent by the professor, and they can choose the completed assignment and submit the assignment. So assignment uploaded successfully. After submitting the assignment, view submissions. We can view the submissions here. So marks not assigned and status will be submitted. So we'll get into the, they can also view the discussions here. Here, this is the discussion with professor discussion. This is the response. So like this the discussions will be going on here. So I'm again logging into the professor. And professors can view the assignments. So they can assign the marks, view submission here, view the submission and assign the marks. So marks assigned successfully. After assigning the marks, they can view all the discussions also. And marks assigned here. After this, they can view the test, they can view the questions and test results, exam results. So view results here. This is the correct answer. So correct answer 1 mark. After this, log out from the professor and student will log in. After login, the students will verify the results. You can check their results, view exams, exam results. So exam results will be displayed here like this. Total questions 1, answer 1 and correct answer. This is the exam results, and view the assignments, view the submissions and view the marks here. Marks assigned, status will be changed as marks assigned. So like this, the student assignment management system will work. So this is the website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.